Before buying an ab roller wheel, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Most people don't realize how much grip, stability, and floor protection actually matter until their wrists hurt or their wheel slips mid-roll. Let's fix that.
Product number 1, VinSquire Dual Wheel with Knee Pad. This VinSquire op roller stands out because it comes with a knee pad, something most brands charge extra for. Priced at $23.99, it's positioned as a mid-tier option with solid build quality. If you want extra comfort and support while doing floor exercises at home, this is worth a serious look. The dual 3.2-inch wheels give you more stability than single-wheel models, which means less wobbling and better control, especially if you're new to ob rolling. It supports up to 440 pounds thanks to a stainless steel shaft, and the EVA rubber handles are textured to prevent slipping, even when your palms get sweaty. Over 10,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells you it's reliable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included knee pad isn't just a bonus, it protects your joints during long sessions, so you can focus on form, not pain. Now, some people complained about the plastic feeling a bit flimsy at first. Here's the thing though, it holds up fine under regular use, and the warranty covers any defects. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or intermediate user who wants a complete pocket without buying accessories separately. Skip this one if you already have a knee pad or prefer ultra-minimalist gear. For under $25, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, VinSquire Precision Rounded Wheel. If the last one felt a bit bulky, this VinSquire model takes a completely different approach. At just $14.99, it's the most affordable on this list, but don't let the price fool you. This one uses a slightly rounded 2-inch wheel, which increases difficulty by reducing surface contact, forcing your core to work harder. It's built with high-tensile alloy steel rated for up to 500 pounds, and the finger-grooved EVA handles give you a secure grip. Over 4,000 units sold last month show it's popular among budget-conscious fitness fans. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The rounded design isn't just a gimmick, it adds instability on purpose, so your abs, obliques, and lower back engage more deeply with each roll. It's ideal if you've mastered basic ab rolls and want to level up. Now, some people complain that the narrow wheel makes it harder to balance at first. Here's the thing though, that's exactly the point. If you're serious about core strength, this challenge builds real stability over time. This is perfect for you if you want a challenging, no-frills roller that pushes your limits. Skip this one if you're a total beginner or have balance issues. For under $15, it's a steal for advanced users.
Product number 3, Tixahi Auto Rebound Dual Wheel. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners who struggle with control. The Tixahi 2026 model features automatic rebound technology, meaning the wheel rolls back to you after extending, so you don't have to manually reset. Priced at $27.99, it's one of the pricier options, but the tech justifies the cost. The dual wide wheels and 5-layer anti-slip design make it quiet and stable on hardwood or tile. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The auto return function reduces strain on your lower back and helps maintain proper form, which is crucial if you're still learning. It also has elbow support built in, so your wrists don't take all the pressure. Over 4,000 bought it last month, and users love how smooth it feels. Now, some people complain that the rebound can feel too aggressive at first. Here's the thing though, you can control the tension by adjusting your roll depth. This is perfect for you if you're new to ab rollers or recovering from injury and need extra support. Skip this one if you prefer full manual control or are on a tight budget. It's a premium feature at a fair price. Product number 4, Versace Auto Rebound with timer and elbow rest. If the last one's rebound system intrigued you, this Versace model takes it a step further. Also $27.99, it includes a built-in timer and elbow support, making it feel more like a complete home gym tool. The automatic rebound uses a steel spring mechanism that's smoother and quieter than cheaper versions. The dual wheel design is wide and stable, and the ABS plastic won't scratch your floors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The timer helps you track reps and sets without needing your phone, which keeps your workout focused. The elbow rest reduces wrist fatigue, letting you do more reps with better form. It supports up to 400 pounds and weighs 3.3 pounds, solid but not heavy. Now, some people complain the assembly instructions were unclear. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it works flawlessly and customer service is responsive. This is perfect for you if you want smart features and joint protection in one package. Skip this one if you don't care about timers or already have a routine.
For the tech and comfort, it's worth the investment.
Product number 5, Cat Barbell Basic Foam Handle Wheel. If all those fancy features sound overwhelming, this Cat Barbell roller strips it back to basics. At just $9.08, it's the cheapest option here, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. It has contoured foam handles and a simple single-wheel design that's lightweight and easy to store. It supports up to 400 pounds and disassembles in seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Simplicity equals consistency. Without distractions, you can focus purely on form and progression. Over 1,000 bought it last month, mostly people who want no-nonsense gear. Now, some people complain the foam handles get slick when sweaty. Here's the thing though, wiping them down or using a towel fixes that instantly. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable roller for quick daily workouts. Skip this one if you need stability support or have wrist sensitivity. For under $10, it's hard to beat for basic core work.
So which one's right for you? The VinSquare Dual Wheel is great for comfort. The rounded VinSquare challenges advanced users. The Takahi and Bersaji offer smart rebound tech for safety, and the Cat Barbell is perfect if you just want something simple and cheap. Think about your fitness level, budget, and pain points, then pick the one that fits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest gear reviews.